Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also. Please join with us as early as possible. Our company is established in 1983, so we have around 38 years huge experience in this jewelry and pearl industry. We believe customer is our God. Our main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable prices. Today I bring in front of you a beautiful gold chains and chokers with the combination of earrings. Just we will see the overview, then we will explain each and every product clearly. See, this is beautiful Nakshi design with pendant. Next, one more long hanging with jhumka style. So one more newly came arrived with green stones, very beautiful choker, functional wear. Then this is also new piece with tiniest pearls and emerald color stones. One more simple and nice with emerald beads and in between gold beads with milky white pearls. So one more chain with multicolor, blue and green and red enamels. So simple earring with long hanging with green color stones and seajets. One more beautiful chain with 3 hangings. So before explaining each and every product, we will see our brand name and brand address. So our brand name is Krishna Pulse. It is located in Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee Hills checkpost on the way to Peddamma temple. When we come from the high-tech city area, this is just opposite to our Beyond Coffee store. So our logo is peacock in brown color. See, please see this and before entering our store. This is our logo. So we have a video call shopping facility is also available. For that number is 9248036721. Once again I am repeating 9248036721. So if you want any queries or doubts or you want to see our showrooms other related products also, please contact this number. Just say hi, then our team will give the answers for that. So we have international shipping facility is also available. That too, all over major countries free shipping is there. Some countries they charge custom charges, some bill limits are there. If you WhatsApp us, we will tell the clear amount for that. And for all over India, we will do the complete free shipping. We are not charge a single rupee also. And if it is local in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, our person personally comes and deliver the products. Or otherwise, if you directly want to purchase the products from our website is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating www.krishnapulse.com. In this you will get the all types of photos, 2-3 photos for each products with combination of pulse, with combination of silver and gold also you will get. So we will see each and every product clearly. So this is the beautiful choker with the Nakshi design. Total peacocks we are provided here with the red color stones. A broad pendant is there with big red color bead is there in that, and complete milky white pearls with small tiniest pearls with gungru type design there is. And in back side we are provided the dori, so it is useful to adjust according to the neck length. See, beautiful design, very lightweight. In lightweight we are provided this one. This generally made in gold design, but we are added with pearls. This is made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. In this government symbol is also there, and our company logo is also there. This is called as ultra light jewelry because very light is there. Once again I am show clearly. We are provided the dori also, very beautiful dori. If you want backside chain, we will provide the chain also. Chain is extra price because anyhow backside is hair present, so it is not visible. That's why we are providing, and customers also preferring dori in the backside. So see, beautiful peacocks. Here we are given the dull finish. 2 peacocks are there. Dull finish we are given. And total milky white pearls. On the pearls also ending we are given the gold cap. So it gives the glitters. Just stones are very less. Maximum gold is there in this and pearls are there. We will see the weights and prices of this one. So this is gross weight is 64.5 grams approximate, including pearls, stones and gold, 64.5 grams, and net weight is around 40 grams. 40 grams is huge weight. So in this price is around 2,65,000. 2,65,000 you are getting a beautiful necklace. You can use a choker also, but this is considered as necklace length. Beautiful pendant is there, broad pendant, big pendant. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our WhatsApp number. If you want related designs also, they will show, our team will ready, they will show the related designs also. See once again, beautiful Nakshi work in very lightweight. So next is one more beautiful chain, newly came just yesterday evening it is came. Beautiful broad choker, this one with a different shape of green color stones, Russian emerald color stones, and with milky white pearls. We are given a long hangings, in between C-jets we are provided. See the clarity of the stones, very beautiful. And back side here also we are provided the dory, so it is easy according to adjust according to the neck length. This is also made in purely 22 karats gold with hallmark is there, and this is specially designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. We have very skilled labor and workers. Very beautiful lightweight jewelry. This is also called as ultra light jewelry. See the clarity of the stones and pearls, no inclusions are present in pearls. This is called as wonderful piece. If anybody likes, please approach us immediately, because this is I think very beautiful piece, so immediately it will sold out. If you want to make one more piece, we will do, but it takes around 50 to 20 days time, and we are not guaranteed according to the color. This color if you like. If you tell only, anybody will identify these are C-jets, otherwise this looks like polkas. Beautiful choker, this one. This is especially designed by our designers. If you want to customize in this blue color stone or red color stone or orange color, we will do, but it takes around 15 to 20 days time. We will see the weights and prices of this one also. This is gross weight is around 91.7 grams, approximate 91.7 grams, including stones, pearls and C-jets. So in this net weight is around 40 grams. 40 grams is the net gold in choker also. So this price is 3,15,000. 3,15,000 is the price, looking like little bit higher end, but very beautiful piece. Please immediately take the snapshot and approach us if anybody has planning to buy. This is beautiful choker for marriages also, it looks very nice. So next one more beautiful piece. This is also newly came from last week only, with world's tiniest pearls, Kakamoti pearls, and Russian emerald color green beads, in between gold balls. Here are two beautiful brooches. We are provided the matching earrings also. Here and here a total nylon silk thread, and back side also we are provided dory. So this is useful for both unisex, ladies and gents, and dhoti functions and sherwanis for marriages. It also looks for very beautiful for gents also. Total red and green color stones, beads, and Russian emerald color uncut beads. Nylon silk thread is very strong. We use 2-3 rows. This is done by our workers only, very skilled labor. Those are called as patwas here. If you want to any changes, small customized changes, they will do in front of you only, within half an hour, 1 hour they will do. If you want to add some beads in between the pearls. See, beautiful color, light green color, we call as this is English color also. On between for sparkling we are given the uncut gold balls, uncut gold beads. Inclusions are very less in this. See the glitters in front of light and sun, it gives very beautiful glitters. Then the actual beauty starts, brooches. These brooches also different design we are given, very grand look. In lightweight we are given very grand look. C-jets and red color stones and green color beads we are used. See the glitters here, it is looking very beautiful. How it is looking in video I don't know, but physically it is looking very beautiful. From here the actual beauty starts. Very world's tiniest pearls. These are called as Kaka Moti pearls. Very costly also. It is very difficult to do the hole at the middle part of this pearl and do the stitching. This is only very skilled labor. Some of the few labor only will do. We have that experienced workers are there. See, beautiful. That is also not milky white, little bit champagne color. This is wonderful piece. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. We will tell the weights and prices of this. This is little bit higher weight only, 107 grams. Gross weight is 107 grams, including beads, pearls and gold. 107 grams approximate. Net weight is very less, just 17 grams only. Approximate 17 grams is the weight, only because the two brooches, only the gold part. This price is also, I think, very reasonable, 2,37,000. 2,37,000 is very reasonable, and that is also not the final price. We will give the very good price. Please approach our team. They will do very best price on this, because gold is very less. Rest of items we have more chance to give the better price. And at the last we add the 3% GST, that is compulsory, that goes to the government. Okay, I will show the earrings also. See, this is simple stud and small gungru type green and pearls we are provided. See, just it looks like polkis only. This is also made in 22 carats gold hallmark. See, beautiful, exact matching to the chain. If you want a little bit long hangings or big jhumkas or chand balis also we have, but just simple. Some people are asking simple studs type hangings, so I am showing this one. Very beautiful piece. And I will tell this price and weights also. And this is made in Mumbai screw. If you want to in Chennai screw or pushing type, we will do on your request. This is gross weight is 7.6 grams only. Net weight is 4.8 grams approximately, and price is very reasonable, just 35,000. On 35,000 you are getting a beautiful 22 carats gold studs with the real stones and real pearls. And hallmark will be provided on 2 pieces, not a single piece. On earrings 2 pieces you will get the hallmark. So if anybody likes, approach us. You can buy only earrings also, not necessary to buy total set. So next we will see one more simple chain. This is our traditional design. In between uncut emerald beads and milky white round pearls. In between we are added a small gold chakris. On the gold chakris also we are given the cuts. So it gives the glitters in front of sunlight. If you want to increase the length also we will do. If you made it long, then it is easy to wear by gents also, and dhoti functions and sherwanis also, it looks very nice. But you need to add the length more. Inside is complete nylon silk thread. We use 2-3 rows very strong thread, that is. See, the pulse quality is very good in this. Complete milky white pulse. Higher end quality pulse these are. Backside clip is just fancy clip, that is not gold silver clip only, gold plating clip. See, 2 rows. If you want to customize 3 rows, 5 rows, 7 rows, 10 rows or 1 row also we will do. In front of you only our patwas will do. Or if you want to change, these are emeralds. If you want to keep in ruby or blue sapphire or multicolor also, in front of you only we will do. Within half an hour we will do and give you. We will do the small customizes. In this very easy, because there is no work unit is involved in this, just our workers do this in our store only. So in this customization is very easy. This type of jewelry is available every time. So whenever you want to buy, whenever you want to plan, then come and ask this type of designs. Because in the gold chakri is very less weight only, but we are given the cuts on that, so it gives the glitters in front of light sun. Beautiful simple design made by of our workers. This is called as Nizam style. Emerald and pulse always called as Nizami style. We will see the price. These are present in lump sum prices because gold is very less. This is
Sabhi madam is asking where is location.
Namaste Sabhi madam, thank you for asking the inquiry ma'am. Our store is in Jubilee Hills Road number 36 ma'am, in Hyderabad. It is very easy ma'am to locate our address. If you want, just say hi to our WhatsApp number ma'am, then our team will send the current our store location ma'am. Very easy, in the main road itself. This is not difficult to identify. This price is 1,98,000. I already told our WhatsApp number ma'am, please approach that WhatsApp number ma'am, they will send the location address. Morning timing is morning 10:30 to night 8:30 ma'am. In between we are present, and 365 days our stores are open ma'am. This is 1,98,000. And don't think this is we are spending around 2 lakhs in this and we are not getting a amount, but our company is providing from 2 years onwards exchange facility. On pulse and stones also we are giving the value. Pulse, stones and silver items we will give the 80% exchange value. On gold and diamond we will give the 100%, and pulse and stones also we will give 80% value. So if you bought this around for 2 lakhs, then you will get 1,60,000 worth amount you will get. In that you can buy anything, plain gold also you can buy, plain coins, gold coins also, other jewelry also. So that is one more advantage. Please utilize this one. This is especially for our customers only. So one more beautiful simple chain with Nakshi balls. Small chain only, but we are provided the dory, that's why it is looking long one. With blue color stones and green color stones, total English colors this one. And we are using the South Sea pulse. Around 6 South Sea pulse we are using. That's why it is becoming more special piece. Simple chain, you can use this one neck length or choker also. Beautiful simple chain. If you want, on your request we will provide the backside chain also, but that is extra price. These are looks like tanzanite stones and green Russian emerald color stones and South Sea, natural South Sea stone pulse. It is very difficult to get the South Sea pulse. We will get this one from Southern Ocean, Dakshina Mahasamundar se mil jata hai ye. It takes around 10 to 15 years to form the pulse. Once again we will see that closely. We have provided the Nakshi balls here. Inside is nylon silk thread only, very strong thread we use. See the clarity and of the Nakshi balls and stones, very less inclusions. Then again we have provided 2 red color beads, and that gold engraving is there. This is graduation style, little bit smaller to bigger end. At the end is blue color stone and 2 South Sea pulse and 2 Nakshi balls we are provided. Very beautiful piece, simple and nice piece. It looks like simple but very grand piece. We will see the weights and prices of this one.
This is gold and what?
This is gold only, in between gold balls this is. Rest of all stones, and inside is nylon silk thread. Only the Nakshi balls are in gold. But this comes under category gold chain only. If anybody likes, take the snapshot and approach our team. This gross weight is around 50 grams. 50 grams is the gross weight, including stones, gold and pulse. Net weight is very less. All of you know that only in balls only gold is there. Just 15 grams is the net gold. Only 15 grams is the net gold. So we have more chance to give the more best price. So this price is around 1,75,000. I think very reasonable because very higher end quality stones are there. So 1,75,000 is worthful to spend this one. Once again you can see. If anybody likes, take the snapshot and approach our team. If you want any changes, color combination changes also, we will do, because this is inside is nylon silk thread only. No manufacturing unit involved in this. So only our workers, our patwas will do the changes here in front of you only. So if you want to change the combination of green and blue, or if you want to put the red or any other type of pulse, we will do. Or if you want to increase the length, 2 rows, 3 rows, we will do. We will do the customization. So 1,75,000. So one more beautiful hanging, long hanging. I think this is already previously I told you, but once again I am telling. Long beautiful hanging.
सच है बेटा.
See pulse, very tiniest pulse. Total 22 carats gold in very very lightweight. This is made in Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do pushing type or Chennai screw. Beautiful red color cut stones and C-jets. It looks like polkis only. Here very very lightweight, thin chain we are provided, but when you wear it looks very beautiful, especially for young girls. It looks very very beautiful. We will tell the weights and prices of this one. This is grass weight is including stones, pulse and gold just 9.1 grams, and net weight is 6.5 grams, only 6.5 grams. Each piece is 3 grams only. Price is also very reasonable, just 45,000. Just 45,000 you are getting a very grand look piece, very awesome beautiful piece.
Then how much? 3 inch.
Around 2.5 inch. 2.5 inches is the length. If you want to make any long one or short one also we will do, but it takes little bit time, 1 week 10 days. Hallmark will be present on 2 pieces. So one more beautiful chain. This matches to the downward choker also. This is also made in Mumbai screw. Russian emerald color beads, emerald beads is there, and C-jets combination. So beautiful earrings, small hanging. It looks like hanging plus stud, made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark on 2 pieces. If you want to, in this you will get the red color beads and green color and blue color also. This is green, and this price is also very very reasonable. Grass weight is just 9.3 grams and net weight is around 4.5 grams. Price is around 35,000. In 35,000 you are getting a beautiful earrings. This looks very beautiful when you wear. This is total functional earrings. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. So one more last one, very big and hanging, big and broad hanging with green color stones and milky white pearls. Total we are provided the big stud and hanging. This is called as Mahanati stud type design, and hanging we are provided. Very beautiful piece. Previously I showed this one, but once again new piece came, that's why I am showing. Totally made in 22 carats gold with hallmark present on 2 pieces. This is also with Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do the Chennai screw or pushing type. Very strong. In lightweight, you are getting very big earring with C-jet combination and green color stones. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This is 32 grams, including pearls, stones, and C-jets and green color stones. 32 grams is the grass weight, and net weight is around 16 grams. 16 grams means each piece is 88 grams. So price is also, I hope, very reasonable, only 1,20,000. And this is also not the final price. We will offer a very very best deal also in this. On pearls, making charges, value addition, we will give the very best deal. On gold, we will charge with today's rate. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. Once again. So once again I am telling, we have video call shopping facilities there. 92480-36721 is the number. Please note once again. Ours is Krishna Pulse, Jubilee Hills Road number. Ours is Krishna Pulse, Jubilee Hills Road number 36 with peacock logo. And we have international free shipping is also there, and all over India free shipping, and local also free shipping. Our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. So we have around 4 branches are there. Our first store is in near Charminar, Patharghat area. We will get the plenty of pearl collections with combination of gold and pearls. We will get the loose pearls also, especially for marriages. And in the second store is our Hotel Taj Krishna. Very very beautiful royal collections you will get. You will get the very royal treatment. That store timing is also morning 10:30 to 8:30. If you have time, if you are coming in that way, please visit our store. I am available there. And 2 more stores are available in Hotel Novotel, and beside that Hyderabad International Convention Center. Very fast moving products are available there. So this, Jubilee Hills is very beautiful exclusive store. In the ground floor you will get the diamond collections, polki collections and plain gold collections. In the second floor you will get the plenty of different types of designs in pearls combination with gold and silver. And we are from last year onwards we are started the silver, separate silver house is also there. We will take the orders from small item to big item and bulk items also. We will use pure silver, 92.5% silver. We maintain very different types of stuff in there, wall clocks, dining table, chairs with silver chairs also there. So hoping you like today's episode. Thanking you for giving this opportunity. Okay, bye bye, signing out, Suman. धन्यवाद.